Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your charging problem in your Poco C71 smartphone. Friends, you can just insert your phone into this type C charging cable like this, and friends, you can see it is showing charging. What if not showing charging? How you can just do? And if you can check your lead. If it is not charging or it is damaged, sometimes you can check with another phone by charging it, and you can see if it is charging or not charging. You can check the adapter with another lead and another smartphone, and you can charge with it. If there is an charging cable problem, then you have to must change it, and if there adapter problem, you can change it. And if there is problem in your mobile or something glitches happened in your mobile, so you can go to the apps, then click on see all apps, click on show system apps, and here you have to write here Android. Then friends, you can see there are lots of Android settings. Click on Android system web view and click on storage and cache. Just simply clear cache, press back, then you have to write here Google, and then you have to scroll down and you will see Google Play services. You have to clear cache this like this, and it will fix your problem. Then you have to restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.